Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 70 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Moto Watch Lite application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the application. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the account icon to open the account page, and here you should see your Moto Watch 70 on the list of my watches. Tap on it to select it. On this page find the button called remove device. For some reason it's kinda blending in with the name of the watch in this app. I believe it's the problem of the scaling of the app on my phone. I don't know if it's better on different phones, but on this one it's kinda scaling badly. And basically what we need to do is to tap on remove device button. It's in the top right corner. Then tap on this button right here. Like as you can see, it's kinda cut out, but we need to tap on the button and the watch will disappear from the my watch page. Now we can close the app, open the Bluetooth settings on our phone and check if the watch is right here on the list of paired devices. It's not here, so you can close the Bluetooth settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.